Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this video I'm going to cover the schema A&E Quality Indicators. It's quite a small schema, just these tables. You've got these three, which are the dimension tables that help understand the actual data. Just have a quick glance in there as well. Technical descriptions, you can see it's got the breakdowns and descriptions. You can see the dots there, the description is quite long. Report descriptions, that's this. So it's just giving you an idea. Obviously, you'd need to actually query the data to get a proper idea. Open data column descriptions. That's this lot here. The actual stats are in these two tables. And if you notice, one of them is version 2. The other one isn't. That's because this one is no longer getting any data and this one is. By the way, if you want to understand about how to know which tables are getting data and which ones aren't, see the tutorial that is called Why Do Some Tables End in a 1, and also explains about the release details. But basically, we were loading the data into this table, which had a column for every single one of the metrics, and then they added a load more metrics, and rather than adding more columns, as was the way we used to do these tables in the early days of UCalFax, we then switched to our newer model, which is to have a metric column with the actual descriptions to explain, and then a values column. So you can see the sort of stuff we have here. If I just do a distinct, that will help give a good idea. Let's do that now. So you can see the sort of things we have there. The comparison, missing, left department before treatment, time to initial assessment, time to treatment, total time in A&E, unplanned reattendances, and each one's got a few different values which are described here. So you get the idea. That's it really. So I wanted you to know that we've got A&E quality indicators. Thanks.